So this is the Liatris ligulistylis, and just a bit of an update. I planted this May 19th, and maybe about a week ago, I noticed that I had some bugs on these. I had 5 of them come up from seed, and I probably planted maybe 3 seeds per cavity, approximately. I'm not super exact about that. But what I found was, like this one was one, and it died back. It got bugs. It got aphids pretty bad. My wife got a new plant from a local garden center, and it had aphids, and then I got aphids, and they went right after these plants. This one's got some aphids on it right now. You might be able to see some there. And this one actually came up, and this other one is coming up. I'm not sure if you can see. I believe because, well, maybe not that one, but I had a bunch of other ones come up from all of the soap water that I was spraying, and so that's kind of a welcome thing. But I've got 1, 2, 3 that's got one. The third one's got a bug on it. 4, 5 that's not looking super healthy, but that one had a lot of bugs on it at one point. And I've had other ones die back. So it seems to be some trade-offs for me. And is it working out exactly the way I wanted? No. Is it moving forward? Yes. Hopefully I get at least 1 or 2, but I'm still fighting a bit of the aphids, and but I'm winning, so I think I'm winning. We'll see how it goes. I'll give you, this is an update 1 week after the last update on Liatris ligulistylis.